right, so let's talk about the technique for shuffle, ball, change. If you're aiming for a straight rhythm, but in the course of doing that, you end up sounding like this. You have that swing style shuffle, even though we're aiming for the shuffle. And even though your brain might be telling your foot, do a straight rhythm shuffle, bum, bum, it still tends to go like this. There's a strategy to fix that. In your mind, instead of basically telling your foot to do a shuffle, which your mind groups as one chunk like this, you're going to tell your foot to do brush, spank, two separate movements, two separate words. So you're going to think brush, spank, step, step, brush, spank, step, step, brush, spank, step, step. That's going to separate those two sounds out so you can get that straight rhythm that you're after. Now, once you get used to that, you can stop saying brush, spank in your head and go back to shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, ball, change. But just to get you out of doing the swing rhythm to the straight rhythm, saying those two different words in your head and thinking of those two moves separately should get you there.